Kevin was a 49-year-old man, 26 years service in Garda Síochána, well regarded by his colleagues, very much involved in his own community where he lived out in Balbriggan, local GAA club, and very well liked person, very well respected, and a huge loss to our Garda family today. As the Commissioner has said, our thoughts and prayers go out to Kevin's wife and to his family, friends and his colleagues in roads policing. And I also want to acknowledge those Garda members that went to the scene today as well, and also the other emergency services that assisted at the scene.
As an association, I suppose we were numbed by the devastating loss of a colleague and a friend and a member of the wider Garda family, and our thoughts and prayers are with himself, his wife and his family. It was a shocking affair, I must say. Came as a blow to us all, and I suppose we have to have our feelings must be with his colleagues that had to attend that awful scene yesterday as well. I can't imagine, or would want to imagine, what they were faced with when they arrived at that scene.
Every day a guard goes out to work. They put their lives on the line, and the job, what they're doing is they're keeping the rest of us safe. They're keeping our community safe. That's what Kevin Flatley was doing yesterday when he went out to work in the roads policing unit. He was there keeping society safe, and he paid the ultimate sacrifice for that. And I just want to commend his service and again extend my sympathies to his wife Una and daughters Aoife and Erin and all the members of the force who are obviously devastated by his death.